Well, good evening, or is it morning? I don't know. I've just been off work for a little bit, and my wife was watching YouTube videos, and we come across this one fella that was kind of giving advice and helping, wanting to help people work on their YouTube stuff. And long story short, my wife told me I missed an opportunity on this particular stovetop tray. I built this one for my mom's camper. The RV stoves are a little bit smaller, and while we were over there last weekend, I got to looking at her stove. It doesn't have a fold-down cover like some of them do. Some of them do, some of them don't. It just depends on the layout of the RV. And out of curiosity, she had a TV tray in there. And while it was still folded up, I just flipped it over and kind of set it down on top of her stove. And it turns out it was the perfect size as far as a TV tray, or a stovetop tray. And so I had this one here, which is almost a good match for her cabinets. And I went to the hardware store and took some pictures of some different cabinet handles, and she chose these. And I'll kind of lift this up, let you look at it. There won't be any kind of a build video, but you know, for someone that's got an RV that doesn't have that fold down tray and you're looking for something, this was a really simple build. What I did, after I stripped the folding legs off of it, I went and I found the center of the width there on both sides. And excuse me, what I had done after that, I took this stir stick / popsicle stick, and what I did was I set it down and I turned the handle on its side, and I lined it up and marked where the screws would be located, and I made a template. And then I measured from the center of each hole and found the center on the stick. And then when I put this together, I just basically lined up the center of the popsicle stick with where the holes needed to be located, you know, as far as the tray is concerned. And that template I used to drill the holes in the bottom of the TV tray, converting it over into a stovetop tray. And I mean, that's just it's simple. If someone doesn't want to take the time to, you know, to clean up some pallet wood or fence pickets or any of that, or you don't have a planer, you know, this is you know, this particular idea is targeting the RV camper stoves. But you know, there's other things that you can use. There are some bigger TV trays if you wanted to do something like that. And then the sky's the limit as far as decoration. You can order signs with your last initial on it, like you've in some previous videos I've done making TV trays, or TV tray. I gotta get TV tray out of my head. Making stovetop trays for friends and stuff. I ordered some metal cutouts with the initials and stuff, and I also have a set of stainless steel stencils made for burning, and like on this this ammo box, I burned a hoof print into it. I've also got a bear print, so I mean, something could be done like that in the center, or it could be left plain, or just whatever you want to do. The sky's the limit. But anyway, that was just a RV stovetop tray. Just a real simple build. The cabinet pulls from the local hardware store, and again, you know, making that little template to get everything centered up and right. You know, and there it is. If you like what you see, comment, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. You guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on the next video.